What's up everyone, it's Mike coming back with another video teaching you the quickest and easiest way to figure out what a backdoor cadence is and how do we use it and where you can spot it in different forms of jazz music. We're going to get right into this right now. So basically, what is a backdoor cadence? A backdoor cadence is a jazz cadence. And the jazz cadence, your typical jazz cadence starts out like 2, 5, 1, right? So it's a 2-5-1 of the key you're in, which we're playing in E flat major right now. Your first two chords stay the same. It's the 2 and the 5. But the chord that you're going to is a whole step above the root note of your 5 chord. Does that make sense? So we're playing 2-5-1, right? And the root note of this is B flat. So go up a whole step from there to C. It would be the major C. So I mean, that's pretty much it. It's just a 2-5-1, but the one chord you're going to is a whole step above the root of the 5 chord that you are at. A lot of words, but we'll make it make sense, all right? On my left here, or your left, my right, something like that. This side of the screen, we have a tune Misty. I'm gonna highlight the 2-5-1s in there. Actually, I'm gonna play along so you can see the 2-5-1s. Right, that's your typical 2-5-1. B flat minor 7 to an E flat 7 to an A flat major 7. That's your 2-5-1, right? Then it goes to this. What's that? So it's a 2-5-1. You have the A flat minor 7 to the D flat 7, but then it goes to E flat major. Right? That is a backdoor cadence that you can find in Misty. So it does exist in pieces. 2, 5, 1. 2, 2-5, 1, 1. It's funny because what you're thinking is this A flat minor 7 chord into a D7. It's a 2-5-1 of G flat major, right? However, we go from the D flat a whole step above E flat. I think really that's just the quickest way for me to show you. It's a really short video, so I'm not really getting too much in depth. However, if you remember, it's the whole step above the 5 chord which you came from. You'll play it and know it for future reference. If you want more videos like these, subscribe to the channel, like the video to show you that you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.